Good morning, students. Yesterday we had already started how the bill becomes an act. So half of the portion yesterday completed. Now we continue with part B on page number 76. When any bill to amend the constitution, means that is related to constitution, Qaida Kanun, right, is presented in any of the house of the parliament, it has to be passed by the majority members of that house. That house means either maybe Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. By 2/3 of the majority means the votes should be more than 66% and the members present and voting. If a bill pertains to any matter related to center or the state, it requires the permission of more than half the legislative assemblies of the states. The bill also goes through the same process as the ordinary bill. Now, part C we discuss procedure subject to money bill, means any financial matter, either the budget or any financial matters, whether the bill is money bill or not decided by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the bill containing the recommendations of the budget or financial matters is called money bill. The budget of the center is presented around every year 28th of the February by the finance minister in Lok Sabha. Every year, on the television it is shown the budget on the 28th February or 29th February, right? All the money bills are first presented in Lok Sabha, which passes through the following process. Number 1, a preliminary discussion is carried out on the money bill presented in the Lok Sabha. Point number 2, the expenses mentioned in the budget are discussed upon. The finance minister presents all the numeric details of the budget in parliament. Number 3, all the ministers like agriculture, science, defense, trade, business and human resource department, etc. put forth their demands in front of the Lok Sabha, and then the voting is carried out to get the permission of demands. Point number 4, the sources of income and taxes are separately presented in the budget and both are to be separately approved. The bill approved in the Lok Sabha first is sent to the Rajya Sabha for recommendations. The Rajya Sabha has to return it to the Lok Sabha with necessary recommendations within 14 days. Lok Sabha can either accept or reject the total or partial recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. If a money bill is not returned to the Lok Sabha within 14 days by the Rajya Sabha, the bill is considered to have been passed by Rajya Sabha. If the Lok Sabha accepts the recommendations of Rajya Sabha, the bill is considered to have been passed by both the houses of parliament. But if the Lok Sabha rejects the recommendations of Rajya Sabha and the bill is again passed in Lok Sabha, the money bill is deemed to have been passed by both the houses of the parliament. Hence, in the matter of money bill, the Rajya Sabha has limited power. So from this example, you can understand that Lok Sabha has the more powers compared to Rajya Sabha. After the money bill is passed by both the houses of parliament, it is sent to the president for its assent. Means उसकी मंजूरी लेने के लिए लास्ट में कहाँ भेजा जाता है? प्रेसिडेंट के पास. The president has to sign the money bill. If the budget is not passed in the house, then the government has to resign. Apart from this, in both the houses of parliament, the social, economic, political, defense and foreign matters are also discussed. The Lok Sabha monitors and controls the working of executive, cabinet of ministers and the bureaucrats. It is the work of the elected members to see that the funds of the public are utilized properly. Lok Sabha has a direct control over the use of public funds. Without the consent of the House of the Parliament, no new taxes can be levied or any improvement in existing taxes can be done. The Houses of Parliament are called as the custodians of public funds, as it controls the functioning of executive, and beside this the Parliament has the power to remove President, Vice President, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court as well as the High Court, Chief Election Commission, Auditor General, Attorney General under the charge of proven misbehavior or inefficiency or violation of the Constitution through the process of impeachment. Okay, so tomorrow we shall discuss the legislature at the state level. Today we have already completed to the central level.